today I will be practicing 3 expressions and that we can use in our day-to-day life just to improve our English, English communication. So, first is rings a bell. What does it mean? Sounds familiar, but you can't fully remember. Means you vaguely remember any event or anything which happened someday, but you are not able to, recall it very well. So, जैसे your name rings a bell. This place rings a bell. So it is like a situation where you think you know this somehow, और आपने किसी को देखा है बट आपको मतलब याद नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है, या उसके बारे में याद आ गया कि हाँ ये लगता है कि मतलब आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल. Second, deja vu, a strange feeling that you have experienced the exact memory before, but in reality, it never happened. I had deja vu during the meeting. This conversation is giving me deja vu. So, means it feels like it is repeated. It has happened already with you, but in reality, it never happened. Jog someone's memory. Help someone remember something. Show me the phone, it might jog my memory. Means when you help someone to recall something, or you ask someone कि प्लीज़ मुझे हेल्प करो ताकि मैं उस इंसिडेंट को याद कर पाऊँ. फॉर एग्जांपल, आप कीज़ रख के कहीं भूल जाते हैं, आपने कह दो अपने कोई फाइल्स को कहीं रख दिया और तब आप भूल गए. तो आपके साथ अगर कोई है तो यू कैन जस्ट आस्क दैट पर्सन दैट आई हैव केप्ट माई फाइल समवेयर लास्ट वीक, could you please help me jog my memory. So it is a scenario when you are asking with your family. So can you jog my memory, help me remember. So this song jogged my memory of college days. Then her name suddenly jogged my memory. So what are the quick difference between all three? First is rings a bell. It's vaguely familiar. It had happened, but you don't remember where it happened, when it happened. Deja vu, it never happened. Okay, it's a strange feeling, repeated feeling that it had happened, but कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. रिंग्स अ बेल में वो हो रखा है बट आप याद नहीं कर पा रहे हो, रिकॉल नहीं कर पा रहे हो. डेजा वो कभी हुआ नहीं है बट वो आपको लगता है कि मतलब वो हो चुका है. और जॉग्स माई मेमोरी, आप भूल गए हो, मतलब आप जॉग माई मेमोरी मतलब आप किसी से हेल्प चाहते हो कि वो आपको ये चीज़ रिमाइंड करने में, याद करने में हेल्प करें.